Right here to make videos. There's a big delay here at Crestwood. I don't know why. What takes a train, even if it is an M3, to get here? So what takes a train to get so long to get here, even if it is an M3 like it is going to be? Like, there's no reason to have a delay when all the other trains are running on time. 4:38, 4:46. Should have been here 3 minutes ago. And then I'm always worried for my safety because we have these kids up to no good down there. There's the Villarinas, the Italian restaurant. Just be scary here. Even if I am in an enclave like Crestwood, not in Mineola. Looking at that, the southbound train's also running a little late. When I go to school at Pleasantville, the train's always late. It's late every day. If they're going to coordinate these schedules, maybe label the times as later. I'm going to miss my connection at White Plains to the Mount Kisco train because this train is running so late. Something needs to be done about these northbound trains being delayed all the time. And I doubt that that southbound train's going to arrive on track 2. It's said that on several other trains before. Or it really arrives on track 4, even though it says track 2. One time it got people to miss their train because they mentioned track change when it really wasn't a track change. I don't know what's going on with this railroad. They've been working on North White Plains station renovation for 5 years now, and they still haven't finished. And yet, I know we went through the pandemic during that time, but how long can it take to renovate a station, realistically? Probably only takes like several months to a year, not 5 years of not being able to take the train to White Plains twice an hour during off-peak hours on weekends. Here's the announcement. Should have been here 5 minutes ago. It says 4:47. At least the BIOS is back. We got an M7 on the southbound train. Because I'm gonna miss my connection. I know I'm leaving plenty of time to get to my event in Pleasantville. Seriously. What takes all these northbound trains that are running late, all of them are running late, so long to get here to Crestwood and all the other stations? Why are they scheduling these northbound trains so poorly? At least it's not crowded like the one after it was. Yeah, once that train runs the bend, I should be able to see that M3 train come. Just wait for it. There it is. Oh wait, that's the M7. That's not our train. No wonder that train's running on that track, because the M3 is late. Here's that late train. Like all the northbound trains run late all the time.
Where do you want to go?